Name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. सच्चाई के अनमोल असूलों को संभाला, सच्चाई के अनमोल असूलों को संभाला, जनाब तेरे पैगाम में जादू था निराला. Our leader has wisdom, conviction, that dream can be achieved, inspire the power and energy to get it done. Today I am here with you to share my view on topic Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Mr. President, it is to be said that great people are born after centuries which changed the condition of a nation with his struggle and hard work. When Allah feels pity on a nation, then He sends such people in the world who come out. Then He sends them with his struggle and difficulties, and of course Qaid-e-Azam मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह इज वन ऑफ देम. हर एक मुसलमान के दिल में है एक आग मोजन, हर एक मुसलमान के दिल में है एक आग मोजन. उस आग का धुआं है मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह.